Hello, and thank you for your interest in our workshop, Teaching Sports Biomechanics Using Problem-Based Learning. This workshop will be delivered during the ISBS 2021 virtual conference this September. My name is Dr. Sarah Breen, and along with my colleagues, Dr. ChengTu Hsieh, Dr. Duane Knudson, and Dr. Mellissa Mache, we have developed this workshop to support you in creating a problem to deliver in a problem-based learning course or a problem-based learning class in the area of sports biomechanics. This workshop has three separate elements. The first being some pre-workshop activities. The second, a synchronous workshop that will take place during the ISBS conference. And the third being an optional submission of your created problem to be disseminated on the ISBS repository. The pre-workshop activities include a video series, some directed activities for you to complete before attending our 2-hour synchronous workshop. And there will be 2 available times during the ISBS conference for this workshop. Finally, I'd like to mention that you also have the option to submit the problem that you create during this workshop to be reviewed by our facilitators and published on the ISBS repository as an open educational resource package. To get us started, if you are interested in taking part in this workshop, I will direct you to watch our video series. This video series talks through the main elements of what is problem-based learning implementation, the challenges of problem-based learning, and then some problem-based learning examples. These videos have been created by our facilitators and are an excellent way to get you introduced to problem-based learning and help you figure out if you want to sign up and register for this workshop. Before attending the workshop during the ISBS conference, we would ask that you watch this video series, and we will also give you some directed activities to prepare to ensure that you're adequately prepared for the workshop to ensure your success. These directed activities will involve designing learning objectives for the problem you want to create during the workshop, and also deciding on a specific topic area for your problem. If you are interested in learning more about problem-based learning, implementing problem-based learning in your classroom, we would encourage you to sign up for the workshop. You can do so by directing yourself to this link where you will be taken to the ISBS website and have access to a registration form and a pre-participation questionnaire. This questionnaire will help us to get to know you better to make sure we can serve you during the ISBS workshop, which will take place on September 3rd or 4th during the ISBS 2021 virtual conference.